Welcome students. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 6, linear inequality of class 11. Correct. So till now we have already understood all the concepts, all the ideas, everything. So our today's class is going to be based on miscellaneous exercise. Correct. Miscellaneous examples are also there, but what I believe is that if I solve miscellaneous exercise for you, you can definitely solve the miscellaneous examples as well, because all of them are very easy. So there is no need to be in a situation like sir ये तो difficult है हमारा रह गया. So don't worry about that. So let's start with the question number 1, which is given 2 less than equals to 3x minus 4 less than equals to 5. Now actually above this there is a title given, solve the inequalities in exercise from 1 to 6. So 1 से लेके 6 तक के प्रॉब्लम जो होंगे उसमें inequalities solve करनी है, and I will solve 1 or 2 problems for you, remaining you can try. Correct. चलो, so how can we solve this particular inequality? So till now what we were doing, we were simply solving something like this. So now we have in this particular manner, so no problem. Our target is going to simplify this and get to the value of x. That's the target. Correct. So how we are going to approach? So first I have to remove minus 4 from here. So I have to add 4. So in all the sides I have added 4. Correct. So this becomes 4 plus 2, 6 less than equals to 3x less than equals to 9. Now I have to remove 3 as well. So what I have to do? I have to divide it by 3. So if I divide by 3, so it becomes 6 by 3, 3x by 3 and 9 by 3. So this becomes 2 again, less than equals to x less than equals to 3. तो क्या बोलेंगे? Thus the solution set is close interval 2 to 3. Our x will lie belongs to 2 to 3. Equal to है, that is why close interval. Very simple and straightforward, we can easily do. Second I am giving you to try. Third I am going to solve for you. Minus 3 less than equals to 4 minus 7x by 2 less than equals to 18. This one. Now again our target is same still, हमें x तक पहुंचना है. Simple. So I have to subtract 4 from all sides. So minus 3 minus 4, 4 minus 7x by 2 minus 4 and 18 minus 4. So this will become minus 7. This will become minus 7x by 2 less than equals to 14. Correct. Now as I can see negative is over here, so I want to remove that negative, and to do that what we will do? Multiply by minus 1, and if I does then the inequality changes. So if I multiply with minus 1, 7 greater than equals to 7x by 2 greater than equals to minus 14, and again convert them into the lesser symbol, that will become minus 14 less than equals to 7x by 2 less than equals to 7. Now I want only x. So what I have to do? I have to multiply all the terms with 2 by 7. Correct. So मैंने सबको 2 by 7 से multiply किया. Minus 14 into 2 by 7 less than equals to x less than 7 into 2 by 7. So this becomes like this: 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are minus 4 less than equals to x less than equals to 2. So the solution set is, what will be solution set? Minus 4 to 2. In this our value will lie. Very simple, है ना? Do you want me to solve one more problem from this first 6 inequalities? Correct. चलो let's do one more. Let's go for fifth one. Fifth one says minus 12 less than 4 minus 3x divided by minus 5 less than equals to 2. Now see, we know that this is minus 5, so this become minus minus plus. Correct. But how we are going to start? So we are going to subtract 4. So again minus 12 minus 4, sorry, not equals to, only less than 4 minus minus plus 3x by 5 minus 4 less than equals to 2 minus 4. So this will be minus 16 less than equals to 3x by 5 less than equals to minus 2. Now what I have to do, I have to multiply by 5 by 3, correct. So this become minus 16 into 5 by 3 लेस देन, ये इक्वल टू की आदत हो गई. सो प्लीज ध्यान रखेंगे कि दिस इज सिंपली x नाउ, यहाँ पे सिर्फ x बचेगा. लेस देन x लेस देन इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 इंटू 5 बाई 3. सो 16 5 80, so minus 80 by 3 less than x less than equals to minus 10 by 3. So by the solution set is going to be, solution set is open interval minus 80 by 3 से 10 by 3 in the close interval. Open interval minus 80 by 3 से close interval 10 by 3. And we know when to write close interval, when to write open interval and all those things. So it is very much clear to us. Simple. So I guess that's enough for the inequalities. Now let's try to solve the inequality and plot the graph, correct, on the number line. So to do that, let me show you this particular problem, 8th one, which is given 2 times x minus 1 less than x plus 5. This is the first inequality. And second is 3x plus 2, 3 times x plus 2 greater than 2 minus x. Now see, this kind of problems are very important again, because what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to solve both the inequalities, and then from both the inequalities the interval we will get the solution set. The common region is our solution, correct, and that we'll try to put it on the number line. So first let's solve this one, 2x minus 2 less than x plus 5. That is the first one, correct. So what I will do, I will first remove this 2 from here, so I have to add 2. I added, so 5 plus 2 7. Then I will remove one x, so x less than 7 from the first one. Now if we bring the second from 2, so it will become 3x plus 6 greater than 2 minus x. So I will remove this 6 first. So 3x greater than 6 plus 6 I will remove, so minus 6. So 2 minus 6 minus 4, minus 4 minus x. And I will add one more x because this will become 4x, correct. So 4x greater than minus 4, and I divide it by 4, so I got x greater than minus 1. So I got 2 inequalities, and from 2 inequalities I got 2 ways to represent it, correct, and their common part will be the answer. We'll show it on the number line over here only, but to explain let me show you here first, correct. So as we can observe, let's say numbers are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and let's say 8, correct. So x is lesser than 7, so 7 नहीं होके उससे छोटी वैल्यू, करेक्ट. x is greater than minus 1, मतलब minus 1 को छोड़ के उससे बड़ी वैल्यू. So what will be the common region in between these two? From both this inequality, what will be the common region? You are going lesser and lesser to 7 and going higher and higher to the minus 1. So you can easily understand from here till here, this is the common region of both the intervals, correct. So I can easily say that minus 1 से 7, this is my solution. Why? Because it says lesser than 7, so lesser than 7 minus 1 तक ही जा पाएंगे, because minus 2 फिर इस इंटरवल में नहीं आएगा. More than minus 1 तो I can go till 7, beyond that not possible, क्योंकि वो फिर कॉमन में नहीं आएगा, correct. So if you are looking at both the inequalities and if you are trying to understand कि what will be solution, तो उसका solution आएगा open interval minus 1 से 7. This is how we are supposed to solve a linear inequalities and put it on the graph, that is on a number line. It's a graphical representation on number line. Am I correct? चलो let's have a one more problem. 4 है, let's do 2 problems, that's good enough. 5 times 2x minus 7 minus 3 times 2x plus 3 lesser than 0 or equal to as well, and 2x plus 19. चलो पहले ये एक सॉल्व करते हैं, फिर दूसरी लिखेंगे. So let me say 5 2 जा 10x, 7 5 जा 35, 3 2 जा 6x, प्लस नहीं आएगा, it will become minus because minus plus minus 9 less than equals to 0. So 10 minus 6 4x, 35 minus 9 44 less than equals to 0. So I got 44x equals to less than equals to 44, तो x is less than equals to 11. ये पहले इनइक्वालिटी सॉल्व करके आया. सेकेंड वन इज गिवन समथिंग लाइक दिस, 2x plus 19 is less than equals to 6x plus 47. Quite big numbers are given but doesn't matter. चलो हम सिंप्लीफाई करने की ट्राई करते हैं. Let me rub this and write 6x. So what can we do first? कि सबसे पहले तो ध्यान से देखो, तो यहाँ पे 2x छोटा है 6x बड़ा है, तो let me convert like this. 6x plus 47 greater than equals to 2x plus 19. I will remove 47 first, so it will be 6x greater than equals to 2x. What will be 19 minus 47? अब आपको जनरली ऐसा उल्टा करने में डिफिकल्टी लगती है, करेक्ट? So 47 में से 19 माइनस कर लो, whatever will be answer, give the negative sign, whichever is bigger, correct? So 47 में से 19 जाएंगे तो 1 में 20, 8 में 20, 7 में 27, 128 हुए और वहां से 20. So this will be minus 28. चेक कर लो, 28 plus 19, 9 and 8 is 16 and 1 17, 2 3 and 1 4. Again, this is how we can do. Now we'll remove 2x, so this become 4x greater than equals to minus 28. Then I am getting x is greater than equals to minus 7. Why? Because I have divided the given inequality with divided by 4. So simply 4 से divide किया, nothing high, very heavy division, correct? And we want to show it on the number line. 11 से छोटा और minus 7 से बड़ा. So let me say यहाँ पे 11 है और यहाँ पे minus 7. So minus 7 included और उससे बड़ी वैल्यू, so this way 11 included और उससे छोटी वैल्यू this way, करेक्ट? सो मैं एक काम करता हूँ, इसे रफ कर देता हूँ वापस और एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बना के बोल देंगे कि ये रहा 11 का पॉइंट इन दिस डायरेक्शन, करेक्ट? एंड इफ वी ऑब्जर्व तो 11 से छोटी वैल्यू -7 तक और -7 से बड़ी वैल्यू 11 तक. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी अवर जनरल सॉल्यूशन? नाउ दिस विल बी द डार्क पॉइंट, दिस इज ऑल्सो डार्क पॉइंट, दिस इज आवर सॉल्यूशन, दिस वन, है ना? आई इंटेंशनली ड्रॉ समथिंग लाइक दिस सो दैट के मैं आपको सेपरेटली कुछ बता सकूं कि ये सॉल्यूशन है. एम आई क्लियर? है ना? दिस इज टिल सॉल्व द इनइक्वालिटी विथ graphical representation on number line. Simple, है ना? Correct? You can pause the video and note it down. So let's go for question number 11. As you can see on your screen, question number 11, a solution is to be kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. What is the range in temperature in degree Celsius? So we have to find the range कि कितनी डिग्री सेल्सियस में आएगा. If the Celsius Fahrenheit conversion formula is given by F equals to 9/5 C plus 32. Now it's a very simple problem. Similar problem is given in miscellaneous example, but in that particular one degree Celsius is given and they have asked us to find the range of degree Fahrenheit. So very simple, we know that the degree Fahrenheit is lying in between this range, that is 68 less than F less than 77, correct? It's kept between 68 and 77. So what I will do, I will just simply put the value of F over here. So 68 less than 9/5 C plus 32 less than 77. Am I correct? So how can we reduce this particular? So we have to reduce this in the form of C, just like we are doing in the inequality way, correct? So we have to subtract 32. So 68 minus 32 less than 9 by 5c less than 77 minus 32. Correct. Now 68 minus 32. So 8 minus 2 6. 6 minus 3 3 less than 9 by 5c less than 7 minus 2 5 and 7 minus 4 3. 45. Now I will multiply with 5 by 9 all the terms. So this becomes c 45 into 5 into 5 by 9. Correct. So 9 4s are 36. So 4 5s are 20 less than c 9 5s are 45 and 5 5s are 25. Therefore the range of डिग्री सेल्सियस है ना, तो सीधे सीधे लिख देते हैं कि रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर इन डिग्री सेल्सियस. स्पेलिंग थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना भाई, इंपॉर्टेंट है, ऐसे तो क्वेश्चन में आएगी. इज 20 डिग्री टू 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस. या फिर आप बोलोगे सर एक ही जगह सेल्सियस क्यों लिखा, तो डेफिनेटली सर ने गलती की, ऐसा कहोगे आप. सो 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दिस इज हाउ वी आर सपोज टू सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम लाइक दिस. एम आई क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. नाउ प्लीज कंसिडर दिस एज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये. करेक्ट. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट इट व्हाट वी हैव. A solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding 2% boric acid solution. So हमारे पास 8% of boric acid solution available है, जिसको dilute करना है by adding a 2% boric acid solution to it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. है ना, जो resulting mixture होगा वो 4% से ज्यादा और 6% से कम होना चाहिए. इफ वी हैव 640 लीटर्स ऑफ द 8% सॉल्यूशन, अगर हमारे पास 640 लीटर का 8% का सॉल्यूशन अवेलेबल है, तो कितने लीटर ऑफ 2% सॉल्यूशन हमें ऐड करना है, कितने लीटर. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग कम्स इन द माइंड कि हमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा. लेट x लीटर्स बी द रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट of 2% boric acid to be added. Then total mixture बोलो या resulting mixture बोलो, दोनों सेम है. करेक्ट. तो ऑलरेडी हमारे पास 640 तो था ही, उसमें हमने x जितना ऐड कर दिया. सो टोटल मिक्सचर विल बिकम 640 प्लस x लीटर. करेक्ट. अब ध्यान से समझना, देखो यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है. तो हमारे पास 640 लीटर ऑलरेडी 8% अवेलेबल है, उसमें हम ऐड करेंगे 2% ऑफ बोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन जो x लीटर होगा, विच वी डोंट नो. करेक्ट. जिससे आपका जो आंसर है वो क्या होना चाहिए, 4% बोरिक एसिड से ज्यादा और 6% बोरिक एसिड से कम. सो पे अटेंशन, कैसे लिखेंगे नाउ. सो x लीटर ऑफ 2%. करेक्ट. x लीटर ऑफ 2% हम ऐड करने वाले हैं. सो लेट मी राइट लाइक दिस. 2% ऑफ x प्लस 8% ऑफ 640 लीटर्स. 2% है x लीटर का और 640 जो है वो 8% वाला, जिसकी वैल्यू 4% ऑफ क्या आएगी, तो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर ना, क्योंकि हमें जो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर है वो 4% से ज्यादा और 6% से कम. सो दिस विल बिकम 640 प्लस x, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सिमिलरली 2% ऑफ x प्लस 8% ऑफ 640, इसकी वैल्यू देखो क्वेश्चन ने क्या बोली है, मोर देन 4% एंड लेस देन. सो ओनली मोर देन है, इक्वल टू नहीं आएगा. लेस देन 6% ऑफ 640 प्लस x लीटर्स. करेक्ट. ये हो गया सेकेंड. अब हमें सिंपली इन दोनों इनइक्वालिटी को सॉल्व कर लेना है एंड वी आर गेटिंग टुवर्ड्स द आंसर. सो पहले फ्रॉम फर्स्ट वन के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा, 2% ऑफ x यानी 2x by 100 640 of 8%, so 8 into 640 divided by 100 will be greater than 4%, यानी 4 by 100 of 640 plus x. सिंपल. अब सब में 100 है तो 100 हटा दो, सो डायरेक्टली हमें मिलेगा 2x प्लस 64 इंटू 8 कितना होता है 64 इंटू 8, 8 4 जा 32, 3 8 6 जा 48, 51, 5120 greater than 64 into 4, so that will be 216, 4 4 जा 16, नहीं 256 plus 4x. Now we'll definitely simplify this, है ना. बेसिकली ये 4 का पावर बढ़ते जा रहा है. 4 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64, 64 4 जा 256, बेसिकली 16 का स्क्वायर. करेक्ट. So now what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to simplify this कि x के लिए कुछ रेंज मिले हमें. करेक्ट. So as I can observe here again, this is a bigger value of x, so let me convert like this. 4x plus 2560 is lesser than 2x plus 5120. सिंपल. अब 2560 दोनों साइड पे माइनस कर दो, सो 4x लेस देन 2x. 2560 का डबल कितना होता है 256 ट्वाइस, 6 2 जा 12, 1 5 2 जा 10 and 1 11, 2 2 जा 4 and 1 5, 5 1 2 ही होता है. मतलब कि दिस इज लेसर देन, ओह सॉरी ऑलरेडी लेसर तो लिख लिया है. दिस विल बी प्लस 2560 ओनली, है ना. और 2x कम कर देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 2x लेस देन 2560 और x विल बी लेस देन 256 का आधा 128, 1280. यानी एक कंडीशन मिली कि x की वैल्यू जो है वो 1280 से कम आएगी. करेक्ट. वैसे ही बात करते हैं फ्रॉम 2 से सेकेंड वाली. ये सब तो सेम है. 2x बाई 100 प्लस 8 into 640 divided by 100 is greater than 6 by 100 into 640 plus x. यहाँ पे सॉरी लेस देन है. करेक्ट. सो अगेन सेम थिंग. 2x प्लस दिस विल बी 5120 लेस देन. अब 64 into 6 करना पड़ेगा. 64 into 6, 6 4 जा 24, 2 36 38, so it will be 3840 plus 6x. तो वापस वैसा ही हुआ ना, घुमाना पड़ेगा. 6x plus 3840 ग्रेटर देन 2x plus 5120. तो 3840 से माइनस कर दो, so 6x ग्रेटर देन 2x. सो ये 3840 है, यहाँ पे लिख लिया ये 5120, 0 ये हो जाएगा 12, 1 के साथ 0, 10, 4 4 3 1, 10 में 2, 12 में से 8 प्लस 1280. ओहो. अब ये हो जाएगा 4x ग्रेटर देन 1280, तो x विल बी ग्रेटर देन, सो सिंपली डिवाइडेड बाय 4. करेक्ट. सो 4 3 जा 12, 4 2 जा 8 एंड लेसर इनटू 0, मतलब 0 होकर 320 से बड़ी वैल्यू और यहाँ पे 1280 से छोटी वैल्यू. सो व्हाट कैन वी से नाउ. अब हम बोल क्या सकते हैं यहाँ से कि भाई हमारा जो बोरिक सॉल्यूशन हमें ऐड करना था 2% वाला, दैट विल लाई बिटवीन 320 से लेके 1280. देयरफॉर 320 लेसर देन x लेसर देन 1280. Thus the 2% of boric acid will lie between how much 320 and 1280. It will lie between these two value. इसके अंदर की कोई भी वैल्यू हमारे लिए सेटिस्फाई कर जाएगी. Are you getting the idea how we are solving this kind of a problem? See, the important steps is this. These are the most important steps. कि हमें 640 लीटर्स ऑफ 8% जो सॉल्यूशन अवेलेबल है उसमें x लीटर ऑफ 2% ऑफ बोरिक एसिड ऐड करना है, जिससे रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर जो है वो 4% ऑफ बोरिक एसिड से ज्यादा मिले, 4% से ज्यादा और 6 से कम. करेक्ट. सो ये दोनों तो सेम ही रहेंगे बोथ ऑफ द केसेस के लिए. बस यहाँ पे इनइक्वालिटी में ध्यान रखता है कि किससे बड़ा और किससे छोटा. correct. Similar to this particular problem you have question number 13. Now let's have a look at question number 13. Definitely ये क्वेश्चन मैं आपके लिए पूरा सॉल्व नहीं करूंगा, but what I will try that I'll show you the inequality so that you can simplify it in a very easy way. Question number 13 says how many liters of water will have to be added? How many liters of water will have to be added to 1125 liters of 45% solution of acid so that resulting mixture contain more than 25% but less than 30. Similar situation, यानी कि I will add x liter of water. I'm not going to write the whole statement, I'll just giving you the idea. So x liter of water हम add करेंगे, simple. So कैसे लिखेंगे? तो now see, x water जो है वो concentrated नहीं है, it is not in the terms of percentage, simple. तो हमें यहाँ पे पहला तो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर मिलेगा x प्लस 1125 लीटर, ये आपका टोटल मिक्सचर हो गया, करेक्ट. अब 45% ऑफ द एसिड जो हमारे पास है, बट कितना है वो 1125 लीटर का. सो आई विल से समथिंग लाइक दिस के 45% करेक्ट ऑफ 1125 लीटर, जिसमें हमें सिर्फ वाटर ही ऐड करना है, करेक्ट. तो वाटर तो कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है नहीं, तो उसमें x लीटर या x% जैसा कुछ नहीं आएगा. दिस विल बी ग्रेटर देन. क्यों ग्रेटर देन बोला? तो क्वेश्चन ने बोला है कि इट शुड बी मोर देन 25%, तो 25% से ज्यादा, करेक्ट. 25% ऑफ 1125 प्लस x. सिमिलरली हमें क्या बोलना है? 45% ऑफ 1125 इज लेसर देन 30% ऑफ 1125 प्लस x. These are the two inequalities which we have to solve here and somehow get to the answer. That is up to you. Give your answer in comment section. Give your answer in comment section. करेक्ट. एकदम सिंपल सा टारगेट मैं आपको दे रहा हूं. वी हैव x लीटर ऑफ वाटर. नाउ द अंडरस्टैंडिंग पार्ट, सी इन द प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम 2% का बोरिक एसिड हम ऐड कर रहे थे, तो वो कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड था 2%, सो इट क्रिएट सम चेंजेस. बट यहाँ पे x लीटर ऑफ वाटर है, वाटर तो है ही नहीं, कुछ परसेंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन उसमें, करेक्ट. सो यहाँ पे हम सिंपली 45% ऑफ दिस सॉल्यूशन ऑफ 1125 लीटर विल सी, और वो जो है वो क्या होना चाहिए? 25% से ज्यादा में क्रिएट होना चाहिए और 30% से कम में. एंड दैट्स व्हाट गोइंग टू हैपन ओवर हियर. आर यू क्लियर? सो यू कैन solve this particular problem and give your answer in the comment section. Now let's have a look at question number 14. What does question number 14 says? Again this is simple, है ना, similar problem है. IQ of a person is given by the formula and the formula is IQ equals to MA divided by CA into 100. Correct? MA divided by CA into 100. Now what is MA, CA, all those things? It is given in the question where MA is the mental age and CA is the chronological age. Correct? If 80 less than equals to IQ less than equals to 140 for a age of 12 years old children, यानी कि हमारे पास chronological age is given 12 years. Therefore, IQ will become MA divided by 12 into 100. Correct? Simply replace this value over here, so it becomes 80 less than equals to MA divided by 12 into 100 less than equals to 140. Correct? So first of all what we can do? We can multiply by 12, है ना? Simple. Okay, in this particular problem we are supposed to find the mental age. That is the important thing. Correct? So let's multiply by 12. So 80 into 12 less than equals to MA into 100 less than equals to 140 into 12. And let's divide it by 100 as well. So 80 into 12 by 100 less than equals to MA less than equals to 140 into 12 by 100. So I can see 110 get cancelled. चलो इतना तो सिंपल हो गया. 12 8 जा 8 2 जा 16 and 96 divide by 10. MA less than 14 into 12. How much 14 into 12? So 0, 4, 1, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 168. 168 by 10. And see, we know how to put the decimal. So 9.6 less than equals to MA less than equals to 16.8. So therefore, the mental age of किसके लिए बोला है? ग्रुप ऑफ 12 years old children. तो mental age of a group of 12-year children is between 9.6 and 16.8. Let's say 9.6 to 16.8. Between 9.6 to 16.8. बहुत सारे डेसिमल हो जाएंगे तो विल गेट कंफ्यूज के इतने सारे डेसिमल कहां से आ गए. Am I clear? So this is how we are supposed to solve an inequality. And what I can say right now is that this was the last problem of the miscellaneous exercise. That means our chapter also end here. Very simple and straightforward fact. Am I clear? So you can pause the video if you want, as of video is going to be end, है ना. But the thing is, if you understood all of this thing in a very good way, अगर अच्छे से सब समझ में आया हो, तो please give me your response by pressing a like button so that I can be feeling satisfied कि yes, जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ वो बच्चों तक पहुँच रहा है. Am I correct? And thank you so much for watching.